Welcome to the Kin Citing Books tutorial as explained by a librarian at the University of Guelph-Humber. In this tutorial, you will discover how to cite books using AJP style rules. Kinesiology students are unique because they will use many different citation styles throughout their professional lives. Here at Guelph-Humber, you will use the style preferred by the American Physiological Society's American Journal of Physiology, or AJP for short. When building a citation for a book, you are going to look for 5 elements: author, title, publication information, date, and page number. To find these 5 elements, use the cover of the book, the publication information found inside the book, or the library catalog entry for the book. The first thing you will notice about AJP is that they have an interesting rule about authors. Unlike most citation styles, AJP requires you to list every single author. If over 100 people wrote the book, you have to list them all. The one exception to this rule is when a group of authors are part of a research group that has a name of its own. In this case, the research group can be used as the author name in your citation. Author names are typed as they appear in the book and in the order listed in the book. Type the last name, followed by a space, then up to 2 initials, with no periods or spacing between the initials. Type a comma and space between author names, and a period and space after the initials of the final author. Author names are bolded in AJP style. This can be tricky because it doesn't always look that way online, but it is AJP policy. Once you've entered your author names, type the title of the book in italics with all major words capitalized. Place a period and a space at the end of the title. Now let's find the publication information. This is usually listed a few pages in from the front of the book. When you're citing a book, you need to include 2 things: the location of the publishing company and the name of the publisher. First, type in the location. Type in the city and include the province or state abbreviated to 2 characters if the publishing house is located in a non-major city or Washington, D.C. At the end of the publication location, type a colon, followed by a space. Next up is the name of the publisher. Type it as it appears in the book or library catalog, followed by a comma and a space. The next element we need to include is the date. Type in the year of publication, followed by a comma and a space. Finally, you want to point your professor to the exact place where you found your information. So you're going to want to list page numbers. Type the letter P in lowercase, followed by a period and a space. Type the page number, or if you used a range of pages, type the first page in the range, followed by a hyphen, then the last page in the range, and finish with a period. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to cite edited books and book chapters. Need help? Chat, email, phone, or visit GH Library Services if you have more questions. We do not offer a proofreading service or correct your citations, but we will direct you to the appropriate resource.